Hi, let me tell you about the telecom industry. Come with me. Hi, everybody. So this is Saharan Sap or God in France. And I recently saw Ghana Communication Technology University post about telecom engineering. And that's my alumni, by the way. I, I was in the school when it was called Ghana Telecom to study telecommunication engineering. So it got me excited. It got me thinking. After all these years, is it still relevant to study that course? Yes, all engineering discipline are interesting. So if you're a young person out there who was like me, who loved physics so much when I was in high school, in the STEM discipline, I think you should consider engineering. Telecom was originally under, it's an offshoot of electrical and electronics engineering. So you want to figure with things, you want to build things, it's very great. And now, in the landscape in which the job market is changing, so in an era where automation and artificial intelligence is taking charge of everything, how does that shape your future? Why should you still consider telecom engineering as a discipline? Telecommunication, you're watching this video because of telecom engineers or the telecom infrastructure. We are the future, telecom engineering. Although I'm not actively in the industry. As you can see, I'm reading MTN's reports because I still follow the industry reports. I'm more on the business side. So here's my story. After university, I was posted to Airtel Ghana, back then Airtel Ghana, for my national service, and I'm always grateful to where I got posted to. Although back then I was angry, but I got posted to the business unit, so Airtel Business, and I was a bit confused. But my supervisor back then, Kwesi, also has a similar background like me. He was also from KNUST, but electrical engineering, and I learned so much from him. He was a product developer. So I was trained in the telecom industry as a product developer, which is what I'm still doing right now after all these years, a decade now or so. I build products, more web products, script solutions, web solutions. I also apply that to everything that I do, even startup, all products. So either offering a product or a service. So all my skills in building products in the telecom industry, which I was angry back then that why did I end up here in the business unit? I'm a trained telecom person, but during my stay over there, I had to interface both the engineering units and the business units. So I'll say I had the best of both worlds, whereby I interfaced, come closer, whereby I interfaced the business units and the engineering aspect as well. So I used to work with the engineers to deploy our product. Then I used to work with customer center, the customer service people. I used to build the FAQs, understand the product, build the product, help in the product development cycle, and all of that. So how has that shaped me? And why should you consider studying telecom engineering? Like I said earlier, telecom is the backbone of communication, modern communication. No matter what you build, whether you're using Gemini, DeepSeek, you're using ChatGPT, how does it get to you? Through a communication infrastructure. And that's why MTN is one of the richest companies in Ghana, because they are running the whole show. And it's very important because you learn about fiber optics. So there are three main channels: earth station to satellites. You have to learn how they work, GPS and all of that. They're all through communication channel. You have to learn through the landline. How does your fiber travel from a base station to wherever you are, to your home? How is it transmitted via radio? It's all communication. How does it come all the way from UK, from US, submarine cable? Remember the sharks that ate the cable the last time? It wasn't the sharks anyway. The submarine cables, it's all communication. No matter what we do, when we go into space, Voyager 2, if I'm not mistaken, Voyager 2 is still communicating back to Earth. It's all communication. Telecom engineers build these things. So I'm going to encourage you, like, if you really want to study the course, you want to study anything, consider engineering, consider telecom engineering. Yeah, consider Ghana Communication Technology University as well. You're going to have a lovely career because you're going to think like an engineer. Engineers we build things. We are meant to build. We are trained to build. And I remember back then, my final year project, the group size was reduced from 3, 4, 5 to 2. So 2 you want to learn to build. Whether you're going to build with microprocessors, whatever you're going to build, keep building. So right now we build. I train young people to build systems, to build solutions, to start startup and all of that. Because I'm much more interested in education. But I'm still a builder. I still build. I still deploy technologies, hands-on, in the trenches, on the field, working as well. So, telecom engineering. Stay tuned for more. I'll be touching on different career paths and topics that you should consider. And you can ask more questions in the comment sections, and I'll see how best I can help you. And how to. I just recently last week we studied how to consider what digital skill or what tech skill you should learn. I'm going to do a video on that, so you can use that to guide you on how to choose where your interest is and how to learn them and how to get the skills as well and deploy and start building. So stay safe. Bye bye.